Ponsa Polo. When jackfruits are in season, there are a whole lot of dishes to be made with the raw ones, ripe ones, and the seeds too. Look up the Jackfruit recipes playlist to see more recipes. Today I'm sharing a recipe by my friend and co-author of KKAG blog, Sandhya Purani. To make this aromatic polo, we need 1 cup of raw rice, to be soaked for 2 to 3 hours. Now here is a washed and soaked rice. Here is chopped ripe jackfruit. You can take half or up to 3/4 cup, but not more than that. Take about half cup jaggery. Add more or less according to the sweetness of the jackfruit. Also a 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut. Now grind all this together with a little water to a smooth batter. The batter should be the ordinary dosa consistency. You can start making polos immediately. Heat the tawa on medium heat. And spread the batter slowly and gently. Drizzle some ghee over it. Please ignore the wire in the foreground. My eyes were all on the golden polo. I didn't notice it.
Miguel and Rayatani Timulari, Angelna, Pidike, Angene, Kana, Javana, Saka, Volka, Tani Korka, Alalsana, prayer Tani. Tawli, Tunga, Saltanke Paunga, Mulane, Miguel Vinunti. Videos like karai, share karai, and subscribe karai.
Wait for it to cook till you can flip it. When done, remove the dosa. Do likewise the rest of the batter. Enjoy the sweet and aromatic polo. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe.